Hi everyone, welcome to EduTap and welcome to this particular video. So students, in this video, I'm going to talk about the vacancy trend that is generally seen in NABARD Grade A examination. So today in this video, we'll see what is the general number of posts that is being released by NABARD Grade A every year, and accordingly we'll see what can we expect in 2024. So based on the past trend, we'll predict the vacancies of 2024, and again I'm telling you, I'm not going to predict, I'm not going to give you any definite number for 2024, but yes, what we can do, we can analyze the past trend, and based on that we'll see what can we expect in 2024. Because I'm not going to decide, we are not going to decide the number of vacancies. That will be ultimately decided by NABARD. As per their requirement, they are going to release the vacancies. So my agenda of this video is to just analyze the past trend and how you can analyze yourself the past trend of vacancies, and accordingly you can decide yourself, you can analyze yourself with me that what can we expect in 2024. So that is the agenda of this video. But before starting, I have an announcement that we have launched a comprehensive NABARD guidebook for you. This is your one solution for all your queries regarding NABARD and NABARD examination. Students, this guidebook will also provide you the previous year questions and syllabus of NABARD Grade A. And if you want the strategy and resources, that will also be provided by this guidebook. So if you want to avail this, you have to just go to the description box, click on the link, register yourself and avail this guidebook for yourself. So with that announcement, let's start our today's video. So as I was telling you that today we are going to talk about the vacancy trend of NABARD Grade A. So why we are discussing this video? First of all, see students, if you are preparing for any competitive exam, not just NABARD, but if you're preparing for any competitive exam, it is very important that what is the number of vacancies that is released for that particular year. अगर मैं इस साल के NABARD के लिए पढ़ रही हूँ for 2024, I'm targeting NABARD 2024, so that will be a matter of concern for me that what I can expect, what number of posts I can expect for this particular year. Because ultimately number of posts is also going to decide the level of competition. I'm not saying strictly कि ज़्यादा post होंगी competition कम हो जाएगा. Competition again is decided by the preparation. If you have done a good preparation, people are fighting for specialist post also, and they are just 1 or 2 number, right? So it's not like that, but yeah, there is one factor you can say. We can say that vacancy is also a factor that will decide the level of competition. So here in this particular video, we'll first analyze the past 5-year vacancy trend that is being released by NABARD. And as per the trend, what we can expect for 2024, we'll see that. Okay. Now, first let's talk about the journalist post. So students, in NABARD Grade A, we have journalist and specialist post. Journalist post is basically filled by those aspirants who have done bachelor degree in any subject from recognized university, and qualification minimum percentage is 60%, and specialist post is for those who have done some special degree, like if there is a post release for forestry, so the aspirant should have done the bachelor's in forestry. He or she should have studied forestry as a subject in the university. So that is the different thing, that is the eligibility criteria for journalist and specialist post. But students, here one thing you have to remember, that for journalist post, each year NABARD is releasing the vacancies. So what you can see that this post is fixed, means every year you are going to see the vacancies for journalist post. Okay, now let's see how many posts are released. So if I talk about 2019, 41 posts was released for journalist post by NABARD. In 2020, it was 69. You can see it has increased by a good number, right? In 2020. In 21, again it has increased to 74. Then in 2022, it has again increased. While in 2023, 3 posts was less as compared to 2022, but still it was a good number, that is 77. Okay, so what we can conclude from this analysis, what we can conclude from here, that for journalist post, every year vacancy is going to release, first thing. Okay, and next is the vacancy is released in a good number. It is lying between 70 to 80. Okay, so you can see average, if I take the minimum maximum of vacancy that are released in past 5 years, so it is somewhere lying between 70 to 80. And accordingly, what we can expect for 2024. in for 2024, accordingly we can expect that 75 to 85 vacancy could be released for generalist post. Okay, again student, it is not definite, I'm not saying definitely this is the case, this will be the scenario. That's again depend on the requirement of NABARD organization, and according to their requirement they are going to release these posts, right? But still we can conclude from the past trend that you can expect 75 to 85 journalist post for 2024. Clear? Now let me talk about the specialist post. So if I talk about specialist post, so first thing to be very clear here that for any specialist post, you cannot expect that for that particular year it is going to come or not. Okay, be it the agriculture specialist, because see, we usually think NABARD is agriculture and rural development bank, right? And they would require agriculture graduate, but it's not the case. You can see here in 2021 agriculture post was released, agriculture specialist post was released, while it is not seen in 2022 and 2023. ओके 2022 और 2023 में कोई भी एग्रीकल्चर स्पेशलिस्ट की पोस्ट नहीं थी. बट वन थिंग मोर हियर स्टूडेंट्स, सी इफ आई टॉक अबाउट फाइनेंस स्पेशलिस्ट की अगर पोस्ट देखिए, सो इट इज बीइंग रिलीज्ड एवरी ईयर सिंस पास्ट 5 years. यू विल सी इन 2022 फाइनेंस की 30 पोस्ट थी, विच इज अ गुड नंबर फॉर अ स्पेशलिस्ट पोस्ट, बिकॉज यू विल सी फॉर द रेस्ट द नंबर इज 2, 3, 4, 5. ओके, इट इज a 1-digit number, but here in finance 2-digit number post is released. So in 2022 30 post was there in finance. 23 May, if I talk about finance, so 15 post was there. In 21 for finance, here you can see it is 21, again a very good number. In 2029 7 post was there for finance. Okay, and in 2020 it is 16. So if you are someone who is from the finance background, so I would say from the past 5 years NABARD is releasing vacancy for you. You can expect the same for this year. Okay, so it means they need finance graduate more, so there is a requirement of finance people. So what you can expect this year also कि finance की vacancy release होंगी, and accordingly you can prepare. Okay, one more stream I would like to highlight here is computer and IT. See, for computer and IT in 2022 vacancy was released 25, which is also a very good number of vacancy, right? In 2023 again there was a vacancy for computer and IT, which is 40. See, 40 is again a very good number, and it is somewhere close to the journalist. Journalist के लिए 77 पोस्ट है और कंप्यूटर के लिए 40 पोस्ट है. बहुत ही अच्छा नंबर है, right? Now if I talk about 2021, here again there is a post of computer and IT. So 15 post was there in 2021. Okay, 2019 में बात करें, so there was no post for computer and IT. If I talk about 2020, so it was their post of information technology की post थी, that was 12. So you can expect that for computer and IT also NABARD require people, and they are recruiting people for computer and information technology. ठीक है, and you can expect कि इस साल भी computer information technology की post आ सकती है. But students, and one more thing here is forestry. देखो forestry के लिए again you see forestry post was released in 2022, though it was 2 number, but still post was there in 2022. 23 में there was again forestry. You can see 2 post was released for forestry. 21 में भी forestry की post release हुई थी, right? And अगर हम 2019 की बात करें तो forestry की post 3 release हुई थी, while 2020 में there was no post for forestry. So इससे क्या conclude होता है कि अगर हमने देख लिया कि यार 4-5 साल से पोस्ट रिलीज हो रही है, तो इट कैन बी कि उस साल नहीं रिलीज हो. ओके, माय पॉइंट ऑफ सेइंग दिस इज दैट if the post is being released for finance from past 5 years, it is totally a possibility that in this particular year there is no post for finance or computer. But yes, you have to be positive. See, prepare accordingly. अभी तक पोस्ट आई है, prepare accordingly, but be prepared also कि if there is no post for that particular year, right? So that is the usual trend for specialist post. And also students, for rest it is not definite. Okay, it is not definite. I cannot find any subject जिसके लिए हर साल या फिर मोस्टली वैकेंसीज रिलीज हुई होगी. बट येस, व्हाट यू कैन डू एट योर एंड, यू कैन एनालाइज योर सेल्फ इफ यू आर प्रिपेयरिंग फ्रॉम स्पेशलिस्ट पोस्ट फॉर पास्ट 5 years, what is the trend of your subject, and accordingly you can decide for yourself. Okay, so that was for the specialist post. एंड स्टूडेंट स्पेशलिस्ट के लिए यूजुअली नंबर ऑफ वैकेंसीज कम होती है, बट यू डोंट हैव टू गेट डिसहार्टेंड हियर बिकॉज अगेन पोस्ट कम है बट नंबर ऑफ एस्पिरेंट्स भी कम है, ठीक है. इफ आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट फॉरेस्ट्री के लिए अगर 2-3 ही पोस्ट है तो नंबर ऑफ एस्पिरेंट्स हु हैव डन फॉरेस्ट्री एंड प्रिपेयरिंग फॉर NABARD Grade A, दे विल ऑल्सो बी लेस. ओके, सो इट्स नॉट लाइक दैट. सो अगेन 3 पोस्ट है, यू कैन फाइट फॉर दैट, बट येस यू हैव टू बी माइंडफुल वाइल डिसाइडिंग कि आपको किसके लिए प्रिपरेशन करनी है, बिकॉज स्पेशलिस्ट के लिए अगेन हर साल वैकेंसीज नहीं होती हैं एंड वी कैन नॉट कंक्लूड दिस थिंग कि इस साल वैकेंसीज आएंगी या नहीं आएंगी, राइट. दैट टोटली डिपेंड ऑन NABARD रिक्वायरमेंट. NABARD में जिस साल जिस स्पेशलिस्ट की कमी होगी वो अकॉर्डिंगली ही रिक्रूटमेंट करेंगे. Clear? So students, that was all for this video. I hope you have enjoyed, but before closing this video, I want to talk about our courses that we are offering. So we have gold pack and silver pack. In gold pack, we are giving the material of phase 1, phase 2 and interview preparation. While in silver pack, you get the material for phase 2 and interview preparation. And along with the phase 2 material, you get ESI, ARD, GA for phase 1 as well. Clear? So that was all. If you are new to our channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. And if you want to join, if you want to download the informative PDF regarding NABARD and NABARD examination, you can join us on our Telegram channel. So that was all students. Thank you so much.